In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar time zone. If you travel, work with teams across regions, or just move to a new city, making sure your calendar shows the correct time zone is essential so your meetings and reminders fire at the right moments. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're looking at your calendar, head to the top right corner and find the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings menu. Click it, and from the small menu that opens, select Settings. This takes you to a full settings page where you can control everything from event defaults to notifications. On the left side of this page, look for the section labeled Time Zone. Click that, and you'll see the option for Primary Time Zone. This is the master time zone Google Calendar uses to display all of your events. Open the drop-down and choose the location that matches where you are or where you want your schedule anchored. You can scroll through the list or start typing a city or region to narrow it down. Pick the one that best reflects your current location. As soon as you choose a new primary time zone, Google Calendar saves the change automatically. There's no save button to click and no extra confirmation needed. You can navigate away or go straight back to your calendar view, and your events will now appear at the correct local times. A couple of helpful notes to keep in mind. Changing your primary time zone affects how events are displayed to you. Existing events shift to their corresponding local times, so a meeting that was at 10 a.m. in one time zone will show at the proper hour in your new one. All-day events remain on their dates, so birthdays, holidays, and reminders tied to full days should still line up as expected. If you collaborate with others, they'll continue to see events in their own local time zones, so you don't need to worry about changing anything for them. If you're frequently on the move, this setting is especially useful. Updating it before or after travel helps prevent missed calls and late starts. And if you also use the mobile app, remember that mobile devices can have their own time zone settings, so it's a good idea to keep everything consistent. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, go into Settings, find Time Zone, change your primary time zone, and you're done. Your calendar updates instantly, and you can plan with confidence wherever you are.